Hey friends, how you doing? If you're going through a major life transition and it's left your home in disarray, or if you're just overwhelmed by the clutter in your home, well, you're in luck because today I'm going to be sharing 3 secrets as to how a professional organizer can help you create a more tidy and organized home. If you're new here, my name is Tamar and welcome to Tidy Living. Has Get Organized been on your to-do list for years? Well, consider this video as your reminder to book your professional as soon as possible. So one question that I always get often is, well, what does a professional organizer do? Now, do you clean people's homes all day? While I love to clean, the Professional Association of Professional Organizers defines a professional organizer as someone who uses principles and techniques to teach clients organization skills and design customized systems. Essentially, what I do is I guide my clients through the declutter process. That way, they can gain back the control over their space and their time. This all happens by creating organizing systems around their daily routines and habits. As a matter of fact, during that one-on-one organizing session, that is when I work directly with my clients to develop the skills that they need to maintain the organization in their home well after I'm gone. Organizers come from a variety of backgrounds and professions. And so we can offer a wide array of decluttering and organizing services. I knew the day would come where I would share a little bit about my background. So the quick version of it is I started my career as an entertainment public relations professional as an intern, and then I climbed my way up the ladder. 16 years later, I decided I wanted to switch up my career, and then I became an executive assistant to the head of an independent school. So within a 20-year range, I've had a vast number of experiences in the corporate and entertainment industries. In both roles, I've had to organize calendars, schedules, and plan special events for executives, co-founders, CEOs, celebrities, and everyone else in between. But let's get back to the topic at hand, the Tidy Pros. While most professional organizers specializes in residential or business organization, there are niche services as well. They include moving and relocation services, estate planning and organization, and special population organizing, such as dealing with people with attention deficit disorder and the chronically disorganized. In today's video, we'll discuss the 2 that I am the most familiar with, and they are residential and business organization. Residential organizing specialists generally offer services such as decluttering of spaces, storage design, living space flow, personal coaching, time management, paper declutter and filing, home office planning and organization, and packing and unpacking. Business organizing specialists work with clients to improve and increase productivity, develop workflow systems, space design, paper filing and storage, electronic organizing, time management, streamlined inventory systems, and much, much more. While many professional organizers specializes in one or more areas, some don't. There are some services which most do not offer. So be sure to ask your prospects individually. One very important tip to know is that organizers don't typically offer cleaning and secretarial services. So oftentimes what I do is I offer referrals to those businesses who offer those services. Okay, so now that you understand what a professional organizer does, now let's answer the question, well, how do I hire one? Once you contact an organizer, he or she will schedule a consultation either on the phone or in person to assess your needs. They'll ask you questions such as what your daily routines look like and what your long-term goals are. Don't be alarmed because those questions are necessary to understand the function of your space. Now take note because this assessment consultation is oftentimes provided free of charge, or sometimes the organizer will charge you a fee, but they will definitely make you aware of their policy. Based on the assessment, the organizer may or may not provide you with a verbal or written plan of action. In my business, I call it the proposal, which includes your cost and a schedule to complete your project. Okay, so what happens next? After the assessment and the terms have been agreed upon, the professional organizer will now schedule your organizing session. So this is where the fun begins. On the day of your scheduled session, the project may or may not need participation from you and your professional organizer. This will actually be agreed upon before the organizing session. Be aware that a single session may last up to 5 hours, in which the professional organizer will work hands-on physically in your home to create the systems that work best for your organizational needs. Your organizer will give you workable suggestions, practical solutions, and different methods of organization. Okay, so I'm going to share the number one question I get every single time I walk into a client's home. Ready? Help! I'm so embarrassed by the mess in my home, in my office. I will need to organize before you come, right? All right, so let me answer this question loud and clear. No, do not clean before any professional organizer arrives. We do need to see an accurate picture of the problem so we can suggest the solution. Our job is to support you and encourage you to achieve your organizing goals. We also provide you with the resources and the tools to help you save time and money. Now, as the client, you will need to agree to partner with your organizer to work on all steps of the project, make decisions and be willing to let some things go, communicate what you're feeling to your professional organizer, be patient with your progress, but proud of your achievements, and maintain the work you've accomplished. Now that you have a better understanding of what services are provided, how the work is accomplished, and what is expected of the client, you can successfully initiate your organizational project. Now, don't forget, if you're located in the New York metro area, you can book my services in the link below. Now, if you're not in New York City, I can still help. So just leave a comment down below and I will make it my mission to help you find a professional organizer in your town. Okay, so now we've made it to the end of the video and I want to say thank you. Thank you for those who have made it this far. Please consider liking and subscribing if you heard anything in this video that you liked. Thank you and have a good day. Peace.